home for about a half hour, put everything in the house, and now we are headed out to start getting things from the shed to get ready to plant. Neighbors all around us are out in the fields as we were driving by, so it has Al itching to get out and do some working ground and planting of his own. In the spring when we're getting equipment out, or the fall when we're putting it away, it gives you the feeling that maybe you're playing a game of Tetris. Maybe those games that we played growing up had a purpose after all.
Just got back from eating supper. Xander dropped me off, threw some little seed in. So, planting corn. It's Friday, I guess it is. Yeah. Just a handful of us guys kind of left in the area that are farming around that 500 acre mark. A lot of these guys are 1,000 or 2, some close to 4,000 acres. So, but I guess to be fair, a lot of them are father and son, or sometimes there's that one. I know there's 4 brothers together that farm a lot of acres, so I guess it all kind of equals out kind of too. So. But, yeah, I'm not sure who that is, if that's my mom or my dad over there working ground. They're both in their 80s and still love to be out here farming all the time, so nice to have their help, and I enjoy it. I enjoyed their help, so it looks all nice. I had to swap out tractors. The case I was working ground with this morning, the air conditioner was giving trouble, so I put a different tractor on there. These tractors with all the glass, it is like a greenhouse in here. And when it's 80 degrees outside, the sun shining in here, it's terrible hot. So yeah, hopefully get a bunch done tonight and more corn tomorrow. So alright, talk to you later. It is Saturday evening. Finished planting corn about an hour or so ago and just got a nice shower, so that was nice. Did not have my rain gauge up, not sure how much it was. I'm guessing probably around 3/10 or so, which was nice rain. So switching things over and probably start planting soybeans on Monday.